Today on this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 11 or how to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10 operating system. I have a virtual machine which is running Windows 10, and the configuration of this virtual machine is, we can check up here. So this has got the trusted platform module enabled, so this is TPM 2.0 is enabled, and also you can see this has got the encryption, and also I'm running UEFI with secure boot. So these three must be there for you to install Windows 11 or to upgrade Windows 11 operating system. And then of course you have the system requirements, which is minimum 6 GB RAM and minimum 60 GB hard disk on the C drive, right? So pretty much I have got everything I need to install. So if I check this computer first of all to see the health, so you can go to PC health check and you can check, yep, it meets all the requirement and everything looks good, except the backup and sync. Right, so what do I need to do is I need to install the installation assistant. So I'm going to use the Microsoft Windows installation assistant to install Windows 11. So accept, and now it's downloading the Windows 11 operating system. It's going to download the Windows 11 operating system and then will be installed on this computer, right? So let's wait to complete the downloads. Once the download is finished, we will hit the upgrade, and that will be installing the Windows 11 operating system, right? All right, now we can see the downloads is completed and it's just installing the operating system. So we have reached 13%. I'm sorry, yeah, 40%. Once it's completed, your PC will restart in 30 minutes after we reach 100% on the screen. So now once the download is finished, it has just started the installation by itself, right? So we're just going to wait here until it reaches 100%. All right, now we can see I have downloaded the file and we are ready to install, right? So all you have to do is click restart now. So it's going to restart now. Click restart. When you restart, this is going to upgrade to Windows 11. So let's restart it. Restart. All right, so it's just working on 0%. Let's wait here again to complete this, and when we come back it's going to be Windows 11 operating system. So 9%, it's doing still, so it's quite faster. You can see it's quite going well. Let's see what happens. We can see the logo looks different, so it looks like we have got Windows 11 setting up. Yeah, it doesn't look like Windows 10 logo. There you go, it's updating Windows 11. I'm sure that this is Windows 11 screen. So we are going to wait here until this update completes, and then once it's all done. All right, we are almost there, 100% now. So hopefully it's going to go through the basic settings in the beginning, but it doesn't need to create new user accounts or anything, because you are just upgrading, you're not installing a new things. Yep, there you go, that's Windows 11. Let me put in full screen to feel the experience. There you go. So it's just setting up the environment and we are done. Pretty much we are done. All right, there you go, it's ready. It's all installed. So this is the new Windows 11 operating system, and you can see there's a that's your browser. That looks what's that? That's the widgets sort of thing. So Microsoft account widgets. Yep. So that's the widgets area. There's a new. That's the Microsoft Edge. Looks better, clean, and we have different options to put. Looks like you can put that whether it's in the middle, so you can utilize your screen area, right? So that's a good thing. Windows Mail, a new Windows Mail app. We'll explore those options later on, but here we have a chat application where you can do friend chatting options. So I'm sure that this through your Outlook account. And then the new desktop and the start menu. There you go. That looks perfect. What else we can see here? We can see some more settings here. The notification center. Perfect. So that's all about installing Windows 11, or we can say upgrading Windows 11 from Windows 10. I'm sure that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to FaceItNet YouTube channel or go to faceit.net.com.au. That will redirect you to the blog site as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks.